Hello friends, welcome to Vamshi's Mathematics Academy. Today I am starting intermediate second year, chapter 1, circles and LAQs. Already in last class I explained 3 LAQs. Now I am explaining LAQ number 4. This LAQ number is LAQ 4 is very important, and this is important question. This type of questions I am expecting for final exam. Put 3-star students. Okay, yeah, let's see the question. Show that 4 points 1, 1 and minus 6, 0 and minus 2, 2 and minus 2, minus 8 are concyclic. Here 4 points are given. By using these 4 points, we have to show that the given points are concyclic. First draw circle ABCD. Okay. First write it. Let the circle equation is. Let the circle equation is, what is the general equation of circle, students? That is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. This is the general equation of circle, students. I assume this is equation number 1. Now substitute 1, 1 in equation number 1. Okay, this is assume general equation number Roman number 1. Okay, now in place of x substitute 1 and in place of y substitute 1. Now equation 1 becomes x square means 1 square plus y square means in place of y substitute 1 plus write as it is here 2 write as it is, students, and again g write as it is. Again in place of x substitute is 1 2 fy, again in place of y substitute 1 plus c is equal to 0. Now 1 square is nothing but, students, 1 square is 1 2 times multiplication, 1 into 1 1 plus 1 square again 1 plus here in place of x substitute 1 2g into 1 2g plus 2f into 1 2f plus c is equal to 0. Now first write equation order, students. First g term write, next f term plus constant 1 plus 1 is 2 plus c is equal to 0. Yeah, assume this is equation number 1. See, students, here 4 points are there. First point is 1, 1. First point I substituted in general equation 1. I got one equation number 1. Similarly, students, remaining 3 points are there. More 3 points are there. That 3 points also substituted in general equation. You will get a more 3 equations. Okay. After that, let's see, find g, f, c and values. Okay. Right. Now this is equation number 1. 2g plus 2f plus 2 plus c is equal to 0. Now substitute second point in general equation. Now I am retracing. Similarly, substitute second point is minus 6, 0 in equation number 1. Second point is minus 6, 0. That second point is substitute in a general equation. You will get one more equation, students. No, x square in place of x substitute minus 6. Here y value is 0. In place of y substitute 0 minus 6 whole square plus write as it is. Next y square. Here what is the y value? 0 whole square plus 2 g. Again x. What is x value? Minus 6 plus 2 f. Again what is the y value? 0 plus c is equal to 0. Now simplify, students. Minus 6 2 times multiplication. Minus into minus is plus. 6 into 6 is nothing but 36, students. 0 square 0 into 0, 0 students. Okay, again I am not writing 0. Now plus into minus is minus. 2 6 are 12 G. Next 2F into 0. And remember one point students, 0 into any number, if you multiply 0 with any number, you will get final answer is 0 students. Why? Because 0 into any number, answer is 0. Not 2F into 0, 0. I am not writing 0 term. Plus C is equal to 0. Okay. Now write in order. First G term minus 12G plus 36 plus C is equal to 0. Yeah, this is equation number 2 students. Similarly, substitute third point in general equation number 1. Now substitute third point is minus 2 comma 2 in equation number 1. Yeah. Here x value is minus 2 and here y value is 2. In place of x substitute minus 2 plus y square, in place of y substitute 2 plus 2g x, in place of x substitute minus 2 plus 2f, in place of y substitute minus 2 plus c is equal to 0. Minus 2 whole square is nothing but students, minus into minus is plus 2 square, 2 into 2 4. Here 2 square, 2 2s are 4. Here plus into minus, minus 2 2s are 4g plus into minus, minus 2 2s are 4f plus c is equal to 0. No. First write in order students, minus 4g, next f term minus 4f plus 4 is plus 8 plus c is equal to 0. This is equation number 3 students. The other point I substituted in general equation, I got equation number 3. Similarly, substitute equation point number 4, that is minus 2 comma minus 8 in general equation 1. You will get one more equation students. Okay, right. Right. Now I am raising a total problem students. Total 3 points I substituted in general equation. I got 3 equations students. Now I am solving equation number 1 and 2. Now I am solving equation number 1 and 2. What is the equation number 1 students? 2g plus solving equation number 1 and 2. Solving equation number 1 and 2. What is the equation number 1 students? 2g plus 2f plus c is equal to minus 2. Similarly, equation number 2 is minus 12g. Here f term is not there students. I did not get f term. That's why I have taken here 0 into f. By understanding purpose, here I have taken a 0 into f. Plus c is equal to minus 36. Okay students. Change the signs. If minus, I am changing to plus. Here nothing is there. Here plus changes to minus, minus changes to plus. Okay. Plus c minus c get cancelled students. No. Plus 12g plus 2g. 12 plus 2, 14g. Okay. Plus 2f is equal to 36 minus 2, 34. Okay. Here I got one more equation students, that is 14g plus 2f is equal to 34. Assume this is equation number 4. Okay. Similarly, find the next equation number 2 and 3. Solve 2 and 3. Solve 2 and 3. Now equation number 2 is minus 12g F term is there, not there. By understanding purpose, I am taking here 0 into F plus C is equal to minus 36 students. Next equation number 3 is minus 4G plus 4F plus C is equal to minus 8. Okay. Now minus changes to plus changes to minus, here plus. Now plus C minus C again here cancel students. Minus 12 plus 4 minus 8G students. Here minus 4F minus 36 plus 8. 36 minus 8 minus 28 students. Now this is equation number 5. Now solve equation number 4 and 5 students. Now solve equation number 4 and 5. Equation number 4 and 5. Now equation number 4 is 14G plus 2F is equal to 34. This is equation number 4 students. Now take equation number 5. Equation number 5 is minus 8G minus 4F minus 8G minus 4F is equal to minus 28. Okay. So students, here two variables are there. One is G, one is F. Here two variables are there. First, we have to eliminate any one variable, that G or F. If we eliminate any one variable, we will get one more variable also. That variable, that value, we can substitute any equation. We will get one more variable answer. Okay? Here, we can use two methods. This is elimination method or substitution method. Substitution method is here difficult students. You can use easily. Elimination method, elimination process is very simple. Okay? Right. You can observe clearly your logic is totally somewhat difficult. Previous problems directly we cancelled. We got equations directly. But coming to here, first compare G coefficients. Your first G coefficient is 14 and the second equation G coefficient is minus 8. Here both the G coefficients are different. Okay. Now check one more coefficient, that is one more variable coefficient, that is F. In equation number 1, F coefficient is 2. In equation number 2, F coefficient is minus 4. Here both the coefficient G and F coefficients are different. We cannot cancel directly. First, I am multiplying equation number 2, equation number 1 into 2, equation number 1 into 2 means equation number 4. This equation number 4 into 2 I am multiplying into 2. Why? Because now I am multiplying equation number 4 with 2. Why? Because here 2 14s are 28. Leave about G coefficient. Now you can observe clearly if coefficient is 2 to the 4. Here 4. Both the coefficients are same. I equate both the coefficients are same. Now I can find a G comma F values easily. Now let's see. 2 14s are now equation number 4 becomes 14 to the 28 G plus 2 to the 4F 34 to the 68. Now equation number 5 is right as it is, minus 8G minus 4F is equal to minus 28 students. Here I am not changing signs. Why? Because directly plus 4F minus 4F directly cancelling here. Okay, no need to change the signs. Okay, no. 28 minus 8 20G is equal to 68 minus 28 40. No, G is equal to 40 divided by 20. Now 20 ones are 22. Now therefore G is equal to G value got 2. What is the G value students? 2. Now substitute g value in equation number 4 or 5, you will get f value. Okay, now let's see. Substitute g value in equation number 4. This is equation number 4, students. 14g plus 2f is equal to 34. Here g value I got at 2. Now substitute in place of g 2 plus 2f is equal to 34. Now 14 to is 28 plus 2f is equal to 34, students. Now 2f is equal to this plus 28 I am shifting to RHS, plus changes to here minus 34 minus 28. Now 2f is equal to 34 minus 28 is 6. There f is equal to 6 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 threes are. Here I got f value is 3. F value also I got f value is 3. We can substitute equation number 4 or 5, students. Here I substituted f g value in equation number 4. You can substitute in equation number 5 also. You will get same answer. That is f value is equal to 3. Okay. Next. Now g comma f value is substitute in equation number 2. You will get c value, students. Okay. Now substitute g comma f values in equation number 2, students. Now equation number 2 is equation number 2 is minus 12g plus c is equal to minus 36. Okay. What is the g value, student? G value got a 2. In place of g I am substituting a 2. C is equal to minus 36. Directly I am getting a c value, that is simple. 12 to the minus 24 plus c is equal to minus 36. Now c is equal to minus 24. I am shifting to RHS. Minus changes to plus. Minus 36 plus 24. Now c is equal to minus 10. Sorry, students, C value here minus 36 plus 24 is 12. C value I got, answer is minus 12. Now here I got g comma f and c values. Total g value I got and f value I got and the c value also I got. Now substitute these three values in equation number 1, general equation. Okay, you will get a general equation, right? Substitute g comma f c values in equation number 1, that is general equation, students. General equation I am writing it x square plus y square plus 2gx 2fy plus c is equal to 0. X square rate as it is and y square rate as it is. 2 g value I got 2, x plus f value I got a 3, c value I got a minus 12 is equal to 0. Now equation number, general equation becomes x square plus y square. 2 to the 4x plus 2 3 is 6y minus 12 is equal to 0. Okay, this equation I got. Now what d values are? This is equation last point, but d point is last point is minus 2 comma minus 8 lies on this circle. Minus 2 comma minus 8 lies on circle. Okay, this is circle, students. Now last point in question only given this point. This point substitute in the circle equation, students. You can conclude easily this one is concyclic or not. Now x square, what is the x value? In place of x substitute minus 2 plus in place of y substitute minus 8 plus 4 in place of x again substitute minus 2 in place of y substitute minus 8 minus 12 is equal to 0. minus 2 square is nothing but minus 2 times multiplication students, that is 4. 8 square is nothing but 8 8 is 64 students. Plus into minus minus 4 to the 8, 6 8 is 48. Minus 12 is equal to 0. Now 6 plus 2 values minus 3 values. 64 plus 4 students, 68 plus 68 minus 48 minus 12 minus 60 minus 60 minus 8 minus 68. Now minus 68 plus 68 answer is 0 students. Therefore I got answer 0. Therefore 0 is equal to 0. Given points are collinear. I got final answer 0. If final answer 0 means the given points are collinear. If final answer is not 0, the given points are not consecutive students. Okay, given points are collinear. Consecutive. Given points are concyclic. If final answer is not 0, therefore the given points are not consecutive students. Here final answer I got 0. Therefore the given points are consecutive. Yeah, that's all for today's class students. Remaining problems we will do next class with another problem. Okay, that's all for today's class. If you are watching first time my video, please subscribe my channel and like it and share to your friends students. Thank you so much. Me Vamshi Kumar.